Your roof is more than just shingles and tiles. It's your home's first line of defense against the elements. When it's time for a repair or replacement, choosing the right roofer can make all the difference between peace of mind and years of frustration. Before you hire a contractor, it's essential to ask the right questions, the kind that reveal a roofer's experience, integrity, and commitment to quality. Let's take a closer look at what to ask before you say yes to a roofing company. First, always ask if they're licensed and insured. A reputable roofing company will be fully licensed and carry both general liability and workers' compensation insurance. This protects you from unexpected costs if an accident happens on your property. Next, find out how long they've been in business. Experience matters. Companies that have served their communities for years, like Barry Roofing and Solar, have proven their reliability through consistent workmanship and customer satisfaction. Ask about the materials they offer. From asphalt shingles to durable metal or tile roofs, a trusted roofer should guide you through the best options for your home and climate, and if you're considering solar, help ensure your roofing materials are compatible. Don't forget to request local references or past project photos. Hearing directly from other homeowners gives you valuable insight into the roofer's communication, professionalism, and attention to detail. Also, clarify who will be on site during the job. Will the company's own crew handle the work, or will it be subcontracted? A good roofer provides a clear point of contact and keeps you updated every step of the way. Ask about their inspection process and make sure the estimate is thorough and transparent, covering everything from labor and materials to cleanup and warranties. Speaking of warranties, don't settle for vague promises. The best roofers back their materials and workmanship with strong guarantees, giving you long-term peace of mind. And finally, ask how they'll protect your property during the project. Reputable companies treat your home with care, keeping it clean and safe from start to finish. Asking the right questions isn't just about getting a fair price. It's about protecting your home, your investment, and your peace of mind. At Barry Roofing and Solar, every project starts with honesty, precision, and professionalism. From detailed inspections and reliable installations to energy-efficient and solar-ready roofs, their team delivers quality you can count on. Contact Barry Roofing and Solar at 951-905-5116 for your free consultation and discover how a trusted roofing partner can make your next project simple, safe, and stress-free.